Why would I want to speed up my reading? I do not have time. I already have a very busy schedule. I want to be able to take time for myself by speed reading. I get bored while reading long questions and exams. I can't understand. I get distracted. When reading a book, article or question, the beginning and the end are disconnected from each other. I have to read it over and over again. Lots of people read thousands of words per minute, and they read with understanding. I also want to read fast. I want to be able to read more books and solve more questions quickly. I want to be able to finish the publications I need to read more quickly when I start my business life.